So today I have a issue with my exhaust. There was some rattling sound going on back there when the engine was running last time, and so I got underneath there and looked, and I'll show you what I found. So it's back here behind the back tire. So here's the exhaust, the muffler, and I heard some rattling underneath here. There's a spot right there. It's hard to see, but there's a spot where the flexible exhaust and the solid exhaust here meet each other. It's right there. So I need to put a strap around it, which I bought. Here's the strap that I'm putting on there. And some word of advice, if you're looking for these things online, shop around, because I found this at half the cost that it was at another store. I got this from puredieselpower.com, but that's how it goes. You just join two pieces together, and that's what I'm going to do. I got the straight one so I didn't have to try to separate them and put another type of clamp on. This is a straight one. I can just wrap around it. It'll bend around the pipe. So I'm going to try to do that and film it, but it's going to be difficult. Try to get you a better view of where the pipes are broken right here. See, when I'm moving, you can tell they're separated right there. Okay, there it is. There's a little bit of trouble getting on there, but not too bad. A little bit of an awkward position here. Okay, I got it all tightened back down. The exhaust pipe doesn't wiggle or move anymore, so it's got its job done. Since I was under here, I was going to show you the last project I did. I didn't film, but I put on new, so I get the camera right, new jack springs. That was interesting to say the least, but one of the springs broke. There's two. There's one on either side. But I got some new ones, and we had to make a special tool to get it on there correctly. But anyway, that was the last project we did. Put the jack springs on. But yeah, this muffler was wobbling back and forth because of that broken spot there. But that new clamp I put on there fixed it up. You probably ought to get underneath your rig every once in a while and just check on things and make sure nothing is loose, things like that, because if I hadn't got underneath there earlier to do the jack springs, I wouldn't have noticed that the exhaust pipe is broken. So just get underneath your rig every once in a while and just check it out. But I appreciate you watching my video, and give me a thumbs up if you learned anything, and appreciate you watching, and until next time, see you later.